This is exercise 6.3 for class 9 students from NCERT mathematics book. Here question is given. Sides QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to S and T respectively. If SPR is equal to 135 degree and angle PQT is equal to 110 degree, find PQT, angle PQT. First of all, we have to draw the figure with the question, with the help of question. Sometimes figure is given in the examination. Figure may not be given in the examination. If figure is not given in the examination, you have to draw reading the question paper or reading the question. You see, first of all, what is that? PQR is a triangle. So we are drawing PQR one triangle. PQR. After that, what sides are produced? QP. QP is produced. QP is produced where? I think you may write like that also. Suppose you are writing P and then QR. Here we are writing R. So first of all, QP and RQ are produced. QP is produced to where? QP is produced to S. With the help of a scale and pencil you will produce. So it will be straight. Now which side is produced? RQ is produced. RQ is produced to which point? RQ is produced to T. And which angles are given? This is S, this is T. SPR, this is 135 degree. And then PQT, PQT, this angle is 110 degree. My dear students, the concepts required in this question are linear pairs, and another is exterior angle theorem. You should know. What is exterior angle theorem? The exterior angle of a triangle is sum of the two remote interior angle. Exterior angle, suppose this is a triangle and this is one side. When you will increase one side or produce one side, then you will get exterior angle. This is exterior angle, and for this exterior angle, two remote interior angle. This is the remote interior angle, and this is also remote interior angle. Although this is also interior angle, but with this exterior angle, this is not remote. Remote means what? The distant angle. Here, this is very close, so it will not be taken as remote. Here, for this exterior angle, two remote interior angles which are you are getting this angle plus this angle. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is exterior angle E. So what will happen? Do you understand? Angle E is equal to angle A plus angle B. This concept should be known to you. This concept you should have. My dear students, taking the help of this concept and the linear pair, we are going to solve this question. How is it? You see, you take this angle and this angle together, what will happen? 180 degree, because this is the linear pair. Here one, this angle plus this angle, you will get linear pair. So I am writing here. angle SPR plus angle QPR is equal to 180 degree. Why it is so? Linear pair. Linear pair. Again, SPR is already given 135 degree. So SPR plus QPR 180. You are getting QPR minus 135 degree. Now QPR is equal to 180 minus 135, 10 minus 5, 5, 8 will remain 7 minus 3, 4, and 1 minus 4, 0. So in this way you are getting this angle. QPR you got 45 degree. Actually QPR was not asked in the question, but we require to get it. Now you take 4 triangle. Which triangle? PQR. What happens? We understand this angle plus this angle QPR plus angle PR or you can do like that. Here in this question only PQT is written, but sometimes it may be asked one more angle PRQ also. These two, one this one and another angle this one. Now you see in triangle, 4 triangle PQR, what happens? This angle plus this angle is equal to this angle. QPR plus PRQ is equal to PQT. Angle PQT. Why it is so? Exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. What is exterior angle theorem? You know, sum of two remote interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Now you can write QPR. What is QPR? Earlier you got QPR is equal to 45 degree. Then PRQ, not known, PRQ is equal to PQT, already given. PQT is equal to 110 degree. So angle PRQ is equal to 110 degree minus 45 degree. Therefore, after that you write here, there is no space. So angle PRQ is equal to 10 minus 5, 5, 10 minus 4, 6, 65 degree you are getting. 65 degree. So in this way you got this angle also. PRQ is equal to, you got 65 degree you got. Now one angle is left. This angle is left. Again you tell, it is very easy. This angle plus this angle you will get linear pair, so 180 degree. Angle PQT plus angle PQT plus angle PQR. PQR. You see PQR here. You are getting PQR is equal to, you are getting here 180 degree. So PQT is earlier given. Now how much it is? 110 degree plus PQR is not given, is equal to 180 degree. You are getting PQR is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So you are getting angle PQR is equal to, you got 70 degree. So all the angles you got, PQR you got 70 degree, PRQ you got 65 degree. I think you understood. You correct in the question. In question you correct here. PQT is given 110 degree. So here should be PQR, not PQT. To find PQT should not be here because PQT is given. Okay, I think you understood this question very nicely. If you have any doubt, especially for Modern English High School, I am telling, students should contact me on my telephone. You know my number also. Earlier I gave in the classroom also.